God alone. Guess what happened a while ago, man?
Yeah.
I just saw Jamal.
Really?
Swear to Jah. And he said everything is everything.
Cool.
You know, I was trying to tell him how mad I am about everything, but when everything is cool, I know everything was alright. We have to just proceed. We're in too deep and all.
Yeah, because after what happened to me, right? See, watch yourself, you know. Because see, if you happened to me, the man is gonna look for you too. And make sure, say, you watch your back, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well. Yeah.
I mean, don't want to harm nobody, don't want to shoot nobody, you know. But we just want things to run smooth.
Well, I'm glad we have this time because I've been waiting, you know, to just talk with you. I've been telling you, you was calling me, I was calling you, was missing each other's calls and stuff. And I've been busy with the transactions moving and things. And I think you know who he is, but this brethren friend of ours just keep coming at me like love. I mean, giving me gifts. I don't know, too large of a gift, you know. I love him. We've been friends, but you know how I am. I don't know. You know how I am with the trust and it's so much glamour. Where's the holiness? You know, where's the humbleness?
Like he takes you out for dinner?
We're close friends. But he's never come at me like this.
Are you serious?
Is he serious? That's what I'm trying to see.
I've never seen a rap
and I know
like this
your experience with, you know, life and love and
what do you think
for
you're
me,
doing?
I'm afraid of love or something. What?
Hey, listen to me. You need to go for this. This is for real. You can't be joking around. This is the time of your life. You need to get on this right now. You can't be joking. Get on this right now. Call this guy up and make it work for you. Make it make sense now.
You know how you have that feeling about something is not right?
It's always gonna come like this. But in reality, make this work for you, babes. Yeah. It's no lingering, no joke around. You need to step on this right now.
I'm gonna think about it.
Cheers. Bless, what's up, man?
Hi, where I go on, Sister Ireal?
Yeah, come on in, blood.
You come look fine now.
Yeah, blessed love, man. Come on in.
Man, Rasi just come check for you.
Yeah.
I want to ask you 2 questions, you know.
It's all good.
Yeah, Sister Ireal, what happened?
Greetings in the name, you know?
Yeah.
Rastafari.
And I come to ask you a question, you know.
It's all good.
Because the night when you perform at the club,
yeah,
and after you finish perform, this man perform, right?
Yeah.
The club got broken into.
Yeah, you don't know of that. Cause they're there. You don't know what's going on.
Well, yeah. So they put a little investigation, like we want to find out if you see anything funny go on that night.
Blessed love, nothing.
We're just here to ask you what you saw.
You guys do your thing, I do my thing. It's time to get out of here. I get my shit, I'm out of there. Just a couple of minutes after you guys. See nothing, no nothing. As a matter of fact, I told you guys I have to go to the airport with my daughter. She's calling.
Answer your phone.
Yeah.
Answer your phone.
Yeah. Yes, daughter, I'm on my way. It's not for me to really run my mouth about what my friend tell me. So that's why I never really want to answer your question. Yeah, me hear a thing, but still me no business with it. Me don't know nothing about it.
But you have to understand that we are TEKTIVE. We are from the I team.
Right.
So if you don't answer our question, then you only make it worse. So what did you see that night? One more time.
I didn't see anything. Foxy told me that something go down, you know, things missing. But hey, I don't know nothing about it, man.
You haven't seen any diamonds?
Haven't seen Zizazoo, you know.
No diamond, no nothing.
Nothing, man. Yeah, haven't seen nothing. You know, just reason with Foxy for a moment. You know, we're friends, we work together and stuff like that. Haven't seen nothing.
Yeah. And you're absolutely
nothing.
positively.
Positive.
Haven't seen anything.
Nothing.
Thank you, Sister Ireal.
You guys are welcome. Listen.